TV. How you guys doing today? Today I'm gonna be showing you a little about my nursery, and what I have going on in my nursery so far. As you can see, today is a beautiful day. It feels like summer today. So what I do, I bring out my plants them to get some of that sun, some of that energy, that vitamin, you know what I'm saying? Because the sun is what's gonna really strengthen them and get them strong for when the spring come, they're ready to go. So today I'm gonna just show you a little of what I have going on here. Right in this bucket we have here, we have turmeric growing here, and I have some beans down inside here that I'm trying. I was trying to see if they're good, and yes, they're good. Over here we have sugar cane growing up in this container. Sugar cane. In this container we have monkey pepper. We have monkey pepper growing up here, lovely. Here we have bell pepper. We have bell pepper growing here as well. And we have some black-eyed beans coming up in here. Right in this container we have pigeon peas. This is a pigeon peas, also this one and this one as well. These are pigeon peas. These little one is sage we have growing up. Over here we have turmeric. We have turmeric growing in this container. You see what I'm saying? We got turmeric growing. Alright, so we have some sage coming up here. We also have monkey pepper growing here as well. Over in this container we have basil, we have tomato, we have pepper, we have different kind of plant in these. But the reason why I'm doing them so thick, I'm not trying to do them single, it's too hard. Too much container I gotta find. Over here we have ginger. This whole container is ginger. All this is ginger growing here. All these are ginger growing up here. Let me show you a little idea. That's ginger. That's the root of the ginger. So they're actually growing. Right here we have sweet potato, different type of sweet potato in this container. So we're just allowing them to grow and take our time, because we want when the spring come we able to get slips. Okay, in this container I'm going to transplant a yam, so watch me transplant this yam, guys. In here we have all different type of herbs in this container. Yes guys, so in this container we have different type of herbs growing in this container, and the sunlight is doing wonderful to them. Over here we have basil, cinnamon, basil. We have sage growing up in this container. This is a lime tree. I leave it in the winter, and this is it. This is my lemon tree. I leave in the winter, but it always come back. I'm hope I'm lucky this year. All right guys, so in this container we have yam. We have yam growing. This is yam. This is yam. And let me show you the kind of yam this is. This is the type of yam. You see? This is the type of yam I'm growing, which is white yam. This is what I'm growing right here. And as you can see, they're growing. So I have two growing in this container. Yeah, I have two growing, and then I have another one here that start pushing out eyes. But the only thing about this one, I think it's kind of too late, so because yam take a year to produce. So what I'm going to do today, this one is in the center, so I'm going to leave this one. You see the vines is running already. This one is to the corner. So if you see the size of yam that these produce, I cannot have two of them in this container. It wouldn't be big enough. So let me show you what I'm gonna do, because I'm going to transplant this yam. I'm trying not to damage the root of the yam, so I have to come pretty wide. Yeah, You see, it's already start spreading. I'm thinking I'm way too late to try to do this transplant. Okay. All right. Oh, it have a cane underneath it. This is a cane I have underneath it growing, all right? So yes, this is the yam. This is a piece of yam that I plant, and this is the yam growing right here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna bring it in this container and I'm gonna transplant it right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm trying not to damage the roots them, guys. You see how I'm spreading the roots? I'm trying not to damage the root because the root is very important. Okay, so this need a lot more soil in this container, but I'm not gonna show all of that right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just pour the soil around the root and just leave it there for now. So just like that, I transplant my yam, and this container is pretty big for this yam, so I'm expecting a really big yam from this container. All right, so just like that, guys, you see me transplant my white yam. So we have this one, and we also have this one. And we have cane down inside here, so let's cover them back. So right now, this yam gonna continue growing in this. I'm gonna take out that one, I'm gonna take out the cane. And over here, guys, we have a lot of food going on here, guys. This is what we call edibles. This is a lot of edibles. Because the thing about this, you see where it pushed to sprout, I can cut this in two. And this is two plants right there. So yes, guys, look at it. This is a lot of edibles. So this is what Planter Garden TV doing today. He taking care of his plants, and he also transplanting at the same time. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope this video motivate you guys, the container garden. I hope you guys get motivated by this and see that you can grow yam, you can grow pigeon peas, you can grow edibles, you can grow all different type of herbs in this. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.